Hi everyone, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve the August lead code challenge problem. Yesterday and day before yesterday I didn't upload the video. Today I'm trying to solve this, and if possible I am trying to solve the another previous day and the day before yesterday I'm trying to upload that video. So let's focus on that. I have the right now question. So the question is that count Vowels permutation. So what is that? So given an integer n and your task is to count how many string of length n can be formed under the following rules. It means that when and each character is the vowel always be present a, e, I, o, u, and when a is present, that is only followed by e, and when e has been present, that is only followed by a and I, and third case when I is present, that will not be followed by I. It means that a, e, o, u, that will be followed, and for o case that will be followed by I and u, and for the u case and it will be only followed by a. So in that case the answer may be too large, so in that case I will return the solution by modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So right now I'm trying to solve how do I approach, then after that I'm trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. So first I will trying to take that, basically dry run on that. If I've been doing that, there is an 1, 2, 3, 4. When there is a length is 1, that is a, e, I, o, u, that will be the present. When the a is present, basically when the a is present, according to the question, that is only followed by e. That is only followed by e, so that is the e. When e has been present, in that case it will be followed by a and I. So there will be two choices, a and I. When I is present, there will be the choice through, there is an three choice, a, e, o, I, u. So that is basically a, e, o, u, not the I, basically. And when o is present, that is only followed by I and u. I and u. And when u has been present, that is followed by only a. That is followed by only a. So what is happening there, basically? That one case. So basically what is happening that when the a has been present, the length of 2, there will be choice that a, e, and e has been present, that is e, I and e, a, and after that I, a, I, e, I, o, and the I, u, but not the I. So basically I am right now trying to find that where I can find the end with a, end with e, end with I, end with o, and end with u. So that is the case when the a has been present, that in case the ua. So basically what is happening that if I have been taking the uth value where is u is the end, in that case I can place the a after that. So where I is present, after that I can place a also. When e is present, in that case I can place the a after that. So that is the way I can place the a, e, I, o, u one after another. So basically one predecessor is u, I and u, I and e, basically, and a, e is basically when e is coming there, that is I and a, e, I, when I is present there, that in the case of E and O, E and O, I, E, O. O is basically when the I is only present, when O, okay, A, E, I, O, U, and yet is predecessor is U, that is O only. So that is the way I can implement my logic. So what is happening that, so every time when I am traversing that the previous where the predecessor will be found, then after that I can put my vowel after that. So what is happening that basically U where is present, and also okay. If for youth case, that is also I also. Yeah, I forgot there. And for O is I and I is O and E. Okay, and E is I and A is U, I and A. Yeah, right now. So that is the way I can implement that. Basically, how much length has been present, that number will be repetition, and I am taking basically that first all the number is 1 and then after that I will repeat it one after another according to the recursive call. So basically I am trying not taking the recursive here. Basically I am taking the for loop, and after that I will be repeating until the length has not been ended yet. So that is the way I am trying to implement my logic. So let's find that. So basically that I am not traversing that. Basically I am taking that the order of 5, basically the order of 5 space, and another order of 5, basically the order of 5. So basically if I have been taking that, there is an order of 10, so it will be talking as order of 1. There is a constant space, and the time complexity will be order of length, basically order of length. So that is the time complexity there. So right now I'm trying to implement my logic. So I am right now map character long integer, and integer sum is equals to, not sum, that is a result, it will be better, and MP of A is equals to 1 MP of AE is equals to 1 MP of AEI is equals to 1 O is equals to 1 MP of IOU is equals to 1. So after that, right now I am trying to implement that if n is equals to 1, in that case I will directly return the 5 because there is a sum, and after that, and if not equals to that, then else case for integer I is equals to 1 to I n I plus plus. I am taking that as an extra auxiliary place, that where I am every loop I am setting that value, and then after that I will be resetting there. Character long integer, that TMP, and after that TMP of A. Basically what is that? That is the, right now I am trying to add in the predecessor of that. So basically, so MP of what is that? For A case UIE, that is the predecessor, UIE and then after that I will take the mod, that mod. So first, then after that I will have to initialize there, as defined mod 16787. Yep, that one. And TMP of AE, where E is MP of, where E is I and A, I and A, I and A, then mod TMP of IEO, and is equals to MP of O case is basically it's only I, AEO only I, TMP of I, MP of, for I case basically, for I case E and O, E and O, and after that last AEIOU. So after that there is the MP of O and I, O and I, and after that I will the updating the MP value, basically that is the one. So MP of A is equals to TMP of A. After that MP of AE is equals to TMP of E, MP of AEI, TMP of I, MP of AEIO, TMP of O, MP of AEIOU is equals to TMP of AEIOU. So after that, when all the value has been recollecting, then after that I will return the MP of A plus MP of I, sorry, MP of AE, AEI, MP of O, MP of U, and then after that whole of modulo. So let me check that if my approach is right or wrong. Yeah, it's giving me, okay, hold on. Yeah, it's giving me right answer. So let me check another example with 5 and 56. Yeah, it's giving me wrong answer. Okay, hold on. Okay, the basically that I am taking another, okay, extra loop, so that's why. Okay, EIO, EIO, EIO basically. Then for E case, that is A comma I, okay, and for O case basically V of I on, okay, that one. Let me check. Yeah, it is accepting for my custom test case. So right now I'm trying to implement my logic as a coding submission. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.